Hello.
Ready for your questioning? So can you please describe Eve in 3 words?
That's hard. That's a hard opener.
It's quite a hard opener.
Beautiful, kind, fiance.
Yeah.
Which is her favourite Harry Potter book?
No idea. I'm going to go with the Goblet of Fire.
If she was stranded on a desert island, what 3 things would she take with her?
Well, at the moment it would be her braces and related denture equipment. Second, she would definitely have a picture of her mum. And third, I'd like to say a picture of me, but that's probably pushing it. She would want some kind of snack. No, she'd want a bottle of red wine.
Who apologises first after an argument?
Me.
Always.
Yes.
Okay, you should get up. Can you please imitate her signature dance move? Need all the space.
She doesn't have one. Not that I've seen, anyway.
Ooh.
Actually, no, there kind of is one.
Yeah?
It's kind of, I can't fit, but it's kind of like a.
Okay. What is your favourite part of Eve's body?
Her bum.
What would she say is her least favourite gift you've ever bought her?
Oh, I think I've done okay on gifts. But she never use her handbag. The price per use is dreadful.
But she does love it.
She does love it. Yeah, maybe that's mean.
Maybe she's saving it.
I don't know.
No, that counts.
I'm just arrogant. I think they're all good.
Okay. What are your nicknames for each other?
Slug. That's reciprocal. It's both
Both
slugs.
ways.
Both ways.
What does it mean?
It's a slug. Just a slug. Lazy, fat, pale.
What is the best thing about Eve? So many good ones to choose from here.
One thing. I'm
Spoiled
searching.
for choice.
Her eyes.
Aww. If you could remove anything of Eve's from this house, what would you remove?
The bike.
Do your best impression of Eve. In any context.
Where were you when you said I love you to each other?
Well, we kind of had a code word that was like saying I love you without actually having to emotionally say, actually say I love you.
What's the code
I feel
word?
like that was, no, that's a secret. No, okay, no, it was no words was the code word.
Yeah.
Couple of words there.
That was in bed, I think, in my flat. First, no, I know where I told her. I told her at a house party in Clapham. I don't remember whose house party, but we were having an argument. After an argument.
You were apologising.
Yeah, I was apologising first.